Hey there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the play-along videos of the Paw Paw Patch. Now, to be honest, a teacher contacted me a couple years ago and asked me to make the video for Paw Paw Patch, and it has been a project that I have not filmed the tutorial for a very long time. So these versions are now available. So what we're going to do in this video, first of all, is we'll look at the chords you need for soprano, concert, or tenor GCEA ukulele in 3 different keys. It's an entry-level song for a lot of people, so it has 2 chords, and it's available in a bunch of keys for you to use with your students. And then we'll also look at in baritone DGBE ukulele in just 1 key, and then I'll just give you a couple of ideas for strumming. If you like the chords or chord chart here, you can find the chord chart on my website at UkeStuff.info. Just look on the page that's labeled chord charts or tabs and just look for the Paw Paw Patch. It will only be available in 1 key, but if you need to play it in another key, just substitute the 2 chords for the 2 chords that you see and you'll be able to play the whole song. If you want to support the work here in this channel, there are 3 things you can do. First of all, you can like the video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. For soprano, concert, and tenor ukulele, I'll be using this instrument. This is my Loprinzi. It's a deluxe cherry concert ukulele. There are 3 keys for GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele, so let's begin with the key of C. There are 2 chords you need to play the song in the key of C. The first chord is the C chord, and then the G7 chord. That's all you need to do to play the Paw Paw Patch in the key of C. Now let's look at it in the key of D. For the key of D on soprano, concert, tenor ukulele, first you'll need the D chord. However you want to play it, there are a bunch of ways to play the D chord. I always put my first finger at the top of the 3rd string 2nd fret and then put my other 2 fingers around it like a small G7 chord. I prefer that on this song in particular with the next chord that you have to move to, because then I only have to move 2 fingers and slide up, and I keep that shape all the time. However, you can also play the D chord 1, 2, 3. You can play it 2, 3, 4. You can play it with 2 fingers. You can play it with 1 finger bending your ring finger. Whatever works for you, just don't reach around and play it with your thumb. The next chord is the A7 chord, which is just 1 finger. And again, if you play D like I do, it's just sliding up and taking off 2 fingers and sliding down and putting 2 fingers back on. Makes that change very easy on soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. Now let's take a look at the song in the key of F. All right, in the key of F, you have 2 very simple chords on soprano, concert, tenor ukulele. First is the F chord, and then the C7 chord. And those are the 2 chords you need to play the Paw Paw Patch in the key of F. Now let's take a look at the song on baritone DGBE ukulele. For baritone DGBE ukulele, I'll be using this instrument. This is my Tom concert ukulele, but it has Pepe Romero strings on it, baby baritone strings, so I can play my concert ukulele like a baritone ukulele and not keep jumping scales when I'm making tutorial videos. So the first chord you need is the E chord, and then the B7 chord. The B7 chord is one of my favorite chord shapes to play. I rotate my wrist up a little bit, and I rest my hand against the headstock, and I put my first finger on the 4th string, 1st fret, and then 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and my 3rd finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And that makes the B7 chord. So it's a very comfortable change for me on the ukulele, on the baritone ukulele in particular, between E and B7. And those are the 2 chords you need to play the Paw Paw Patch on baritone DGBE ukulele. Alright, for strumming, let me give you 2 simple ideas. Basically, whatever you do is fine as long as it matches the tempo, it's the right chords, and it fits the style of the music. But I'll just give you 2 ideas real quick. One is a strum. It would just be this. Down, down, up, 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 down. Kind of go like this. Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Way down yonder in the Paw Paw Patch. And I will often go strum, strum, strum at the end of that. Let me try that again. Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Way down yonder in the Paw Paw Patch. Yeah, that's what I'll do. And I've also am putting emphasis on certain notes. and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Every other down is getting a stronger beat for me when I'm doing that. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And I'm going down, down, down at the end of it. Now, if you listen to the actual recording, though, however, it sort of does a boom chuck. So you can do that too, alternating between string 3 and 4, especially on re-entrant GCEA ukulele. We'll try it on baritone here in a second. But on re-entrant GCEA high G ukulele, I'd go 3 strum, 4 strum, 3 strum, 4 strum, and change as you need to. And then maybe still do a at the end. Let's see how it works. Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Way down yonder in the Paw Paw Patch. Let me try that again, getting the 3 at the end. Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Way down yonder in the Paw Paw Patch. Yeah, that works out pretty well. So what I'm doing there is I'm playing with my thumb. I'm alternating string 3, 4, 3, 4. You could practice doing that. Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Way down yonder in the Paw Paw Patch. You could practice doing that and then add the strums after it. Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Where, oh, where is dear little Daniel? Way down yonder in the Paw Paw Patch. I'm actually playing with more than just one finger too. I'm playing with like 2 or 3 fingers, just hitting the strings with the boom chick, boom chick, boom chick, boom chick. Let's do it on baritone. All right, so on baritone DGBE ukulele, or for linear, which is low G GCEA, I probably go 4 strum, 3 strum, 4 strum, 3 strum. I'd probably reverse it. So it would sound like this. I'm probably going to mess it up because I'm used to playing re-entrant most of the time. So I'll probably mess it up, but I'll do my best here. So we're going to go 4 strum, 3 strum, 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 strum. And you'll still go strum, strum, strum at the end. Let's see if I can sing along with this key. Picking up paw-paws, put 'em in your pocket. Picking up paw-paws, put 'em in your pocket. Picking up paw-paws, put 'em in your pocket. Way down yonder in the Paw Paw Patch. Yeah, I think that works out pretty well with the linear tuning. Picking up paw-paws, put 'em in your pocket. Picking up paw-paws, put 'em in your pocket. Picking up paw-paws, put 'em in your pocket. Way down yonder in the Paw Paw Patch. Yeah, that works out pretty well. 4 strum, 3 strum. If you need to, you could just practice playing 4 and 3 at first. Picking up paw-paws, put 'em in your pocket. Picking up paw-paws, put 'em in your pocket. Picking up paw-paws, put 'em in your pocket. Way down yonder in the Paw Paw Patch. Maybe at the end. Yeah, that works out pretty well. All right, so with those strumming patterns or picking strumming patterns and those chords, it's all you need to do to be successful with the Paw Paw Patch. Great song to use. I'm very glad that educator asked me to make those videos. Sorry I haven't got them out till now. All right, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.